Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to check TPM or Trusted Platform Module versions in Windows 11. I will show you the easiest method to check. So dito lang si Start menu, so right click ka lang and then kailangan mo na select tong Device Manager. Dito sa Device Manager ay kailangan mo na select tong Security in Device. So click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then ito na siya. So makikita mo na dito yung Trusted Platform Module. So click mo lang yan. And then tingnan natin ang kanyang properties. So nandito na siya. So pwede mo lang tingnan yung kanyang driver details, events, and then yung resources. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-check ang TPM version sa Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.